Good evening. My name is MC Yuko from Alpha Script, and you're welcome to this program. And today we have Mr. Ewu Joshua Boy on our studio, and we are going to be talking about, and the topic of today's program is why hookup girls is better off than having a girlfriend. And Mr. Ewu Joshua Boy will be here to enlighten us very well much about it. And right here in our studio, we have Mr. Ewu Joshua Boy. Thanks for coming, Mr. Ewu Joshua Boy. Yes, thank you, Auntie Ayuku, for having me. I deal with you. Thank you. Mr. Ewu Joshua Boy, you're welcome to this program. Mr. Ewu Joshua Boy, please, could you please explain to us why you feel that hookup girls in Nigeria, not just Lagos as a whole, is better off than having a girlfriend? Yes, so una good evening. I know say wetin I wan talk now. So say many people no go like am. You see this phone, I hold am for house come. Make I take do calculation for now because okay, hook up girl. So the topic wey you say make I talk true today be say hook up girl and girlfriend better pass. Hook up girl and girlfriend better pass. Expensive. Okay. Hook up girl. Hook up girl better pass girlfriend. And I know say you want me I tell you why. See me I tell you why hook up girl better pass girlfriend. Just imagine now you get girlfriend. Girlfriend go want iPhone 40 Pro Max. The girl go say you wan do wig, you get wig, you wan buy wig o. No be one wig you wan buy o. That same girl now go say you get school fees problem. And you go tell you say mama break leg, then you go tell you say papa get liver problem. Then before you know wetin happen, you don spend 5 million for one girl. No stop am for there o. Then you see hook up girl now, let's say you dey pay 100,000 sef. 100,000. Carry calculator for there if you calculate. If you be boy wey get sense, calculate 100,000 times 10. That's 1 million. See, 1 million will give you 10 fine girls. And that your girlfriend, so they already collect 5 million first too. Now you come buy phone 1.2 million iPhone 40 Pro Max give the girl. And the girl now go come use that iPhone 40 Pro Max to go open hookup site, to go sleep with another person for hookup. For that same 100,000 when you supposed to carry another 100,000. Now you see, so with this viewpoint of mine, I like to say hookup is better. Leave you up all head from Mr. Ewu Junction Boy. If you like, you hear. If you don't like, no hear. Before you like, you must smoke Morocco. Before you smoke Morocco, you have to visit Morocco.